Dal Makhani is the most ordered dish in the Indian restaurants worldwide. Yet so many people are intimidated to make it at home. But today I'm taking it back to basics. I'll show you how few simple ingredients and a lot of patience create the creamiest dal you've ever tasted. Every great dal makhani begins with a foundation: whole black urad dal and a handful of rajma or kidney beans. Look closely. The black skin transforms into beautiful earthy green. That's when you know the lentils are ready. Into the pressure cooker with a touch of salt and enough water, we are cooking this until they are about 80% done. It should take around 40 to 45 minutes. And then we mash them and set them aside. Here I've pureed some tomatoes, some crushed ginger and garlic, red chili powder, and lots of butter. In a pan, we melt generous amount of butter. Saute ginger garlic paste until the raw aroma vanishes. Add your fresh tomato puree and Kashmiri red chili powder. Cook this until the butter starts to ooze out from the sides. Now combine the dal and the masala. Here is where most people fail. They stop too early. You need to simmer this for at least 30 minutes more. As it bubbles, take your ladle and lightly mash some of the lentils against the side of the pot. This releases natural starches, creating the natural creaminess before we even add the actual cream. This is how you can get that thick velvet consistency that clings to your naan. A final sprinkle of toasted crushed kasuri methi leaves. Turn off the heat before adding the cream. This prevents it from splitting. Serve it with a splash of cream, a dollop of butter, and some coriander. If you enjoyed these tips, hit that subscribe button and save it for later. Tell me in comments, do you prefer your dal makhani with naan or jeera rice? I am reading every single one of them. Happy cooking!
Super good. Yummy dal makhani.